Hello and welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Ansible in Redhat Enterprise Linux 7.3. Please make a note, if you are planning to install Ansible above version like 7.4, then you need a subscription with RHSM. So currently I'm running 7.3, and to install Ansible I don't need a subscription. Instead I need the packages from where I can download and install. So there is a repository in Fedora. From there we can download the package and install. So I'm going to show you the steps here. The first thing what you have to ensure is your repository. The first thing, the OS or the DVD you have to configure in your system. So once you have configured that, you would be able to see the packages. So currently I have around 4751 packages, and apart from that I need an EPL release package which is I can able to download from Fedora repository. Let me just copy the link and install here. I'm just downloading the package first. Once I download that, I'm going to install it. So the EPL package is installed. If I double check running yum repositories command, I would be able to see now there are two repositories. Okay, so next step, the dependency packages or the packages which is required by Ansible. So here are the packages which you have to install before you install Ansible. So now you can able to see Python packages and also Jinja 2 packages and YAML packages, because we need to write the playbook and they are going to be in YAML. So that is why we need this library packages. So let me just install these packages first. It will going to take some time depend on your internet speed, because you can see here there are some packages which is currently downloading from Fedora repository, and now you can able to see they are installing one by one. So once it is installed, what you have to ensure is the pip version. So if I do a pip ---- version, now I can see the version is 8, but we need a minimum version 9 for pip. So how will I upgrade that? If I run this command pip install ---- upgrade pip, it will going to upgrade the package, and you'd be able to see here it is successfully installed and the version is 9 now. If I just run the command again just to ensure, and I can see it is version 9. So now I'm ready to install Ansible. So let me just shoot the command yum install Ansible, and I can able to see the Ansible package is going to install, and it is currently coming from the repository which is in Fedora, and there are some dependency packages is also going to install. So currently it is downloading the packages from EPL repository or the Fedora repository, and it is going to take some time depending on your internet speed. Packages are downloaded and now it is installing. So once we install that, we're gonna see what are the configuration file for Ansible. So once you install, the first thing what you might wanted to see the version. So to check that, we need to run command Ansible and version. If you run that command, you would be able to see some basic information about Ansible you are running. So this is the version which we are currently running, and the configuration file and the module location where you would be able to see the modules, and also the binary location for your Ansible. So this is the first command you would be able to see. The next thing what you would be able to see is the configuration file, like how we are going to configure Ansible. So to do that, you just have to run a simple command rpm-qc and specify the package. So once you run that command, you can able to see there are two configuration files under /etc Ansible. Let me go to this location and ls it. You can able to see there are some files. Just ignore this file because I have installed this Ansible earlier, that is why it is saying that. Okay, so now default you would be able to see these three files, two files and one folders. So those are the configuration file where you are going to use your code, and I'm going to show you in my next video how we're going to use this file, and also I'm going to show you how to use an ad hoc command. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. It is very simple. You don't have to start any service unlike other configuration management tool which is Puppet or Chef. Here you just have to install the package and you are done.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I'll remember you. If you remember